Yo, peace and love, guys. This is your boy Colo coming through with another sneaker video. Today we have the Bred Yeezy 350s, and it's kind of funny because I just did a Bred Jordan 1 video in the video right before this one. But I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger on these. Big shout out to the gifter that got these to me. I really do enjoy a black colorway of the Yeezys. They're calling this core black actually, and it has a core red Supply 350 on its side. For some reason I like that. I don't really know why. But before we dive into the video, I have to say that I do not support any of the UA sneakers, fake sneakers, replicas, 101s of something else. Any of that, I don't support it. I just make a video. So I got to remind you guys that this video is for purely informational purposes. So, and there's no DHL part because I did that on IG, and moving forward, I'm going to just start doing the unboxings on IG instead here. I think that the IG live unboxings are a little bit more engaging with you guys, and I think that's dope. So I'm just going to continue with that for now. So back to the Yeezy. Again, it's the core black, core red, and this pair is actually going for about $800 on StockX right now. So they're pretty pricey, and they're supposed to be restocking this December. So I wanted to get a pair before December. So if I can get a pair of retails in December, I want to compare it to this pair and go from there. But they look amazing. Like, I can't really point out anything that's wrong with these. I am going to compare them to a retail pair here in a minute, and then we'll do a black lighting of the boost, and then we'll go to the on foot part of it. So the retail pair that I have here is actually the 350 V2 Butter, and I got these right after I got my second pair of the white pair. I forgot, with the cream whites. These are after the cream whites. This is when I was getting them from Yeezy Supply back in the day, and I always kept them around just for comparisons like this. So, and I know they're not the same color, but I'm using them for the shape and the form of the shoe. I mean, of course, I've already wore the Butters, but I figured it's worth comparing them to. And as you can tell, the Bred colorway, it looks like the Butters, like they really do. And I'm just talking form and the shape of the sneaker. They look identical, just from what I can tell. And oh yeah, they had this tag on them too. I don't walk around with this tag on. It looks kind of weird. Okay, so what we have here in my hand is another gifted pair, and we're just gonna be looking at the boost of all three because the synth colorway, the boost is not authentic on that pair. So I just kind of want to show you what authentic looks like, what I think my findings will tell you if the boost is legit or not. And they call it BASF boost. Okay, so I just 180 the camera angle. So now the Butter is on the right side. This is the Butter I have in my hand. And look at the glue. This is a retail pair. I mean, look at this. Okay, so pay attention to the boost. You see how it's pretty much just white? That's what authentic boost looks like under a Blacklight. Now let's take a look at the Bred colorway, and this one has mixed results. It's mainly white, but I do see some hints of purple in there, especially in that lower right hand corner. Like, what is that? And you can see in the upper right on that side, it's almost like a mixture of real boost and fake boost. I don't know, but the boost does feel good. Now let's take a look at the synth. This was gifted to me also. I mean, it's worth checking out the video, but this pair, the boost is extremely purplish, like right off the bat. And when I seen this in the past, I was like, wait a minute, let me grab another pair. And I grabbed the Azriels or whatever they're called, Yesriels, and it didn't look like this. So this is what I kind of came up with. So one more time. That's kind of like, I don't know. And then look how that one, and this one's worn, so you guys be the judge.
We must pay homage to him.
Yo, what's going on, guys? As you can tell in the last video, God, I hate these things. I have to find a new go-to spot to do my on feet. and I can do it. So I'm gonna try to squeeze an on feed in today. I don't know where, but I'll try to get it in. That's just part of content creating. Oh yeah, and another thing, I might just have to do this whole thing with my phone.
I'll tell you what, if Colo ready to go,
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
We gonna slide down there right now. We come and check you out.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what's up. We here.
Already.
Man, this day is getting more and more out of control. I got Nailman over here. I'm gonna get this on feed in here, but I'm about to meet up with my guy. We downtown. We try to sneak up on him. What's good, man? What's good?
Colo the done.
What's good, man?
What's up, big dog?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
See y'all, man.
Come on, man. Y'all got to do the
Yeah, we can.
ring, onion ring.
Yo.
Yeah, that's Denver out here. Springs.
What's Denver? That's that guy.
Big Mac, man.
Mac dies that guy.
Man, that's crazy. Stay out here. You gonna walk around a little bit? You gonna get it down? Get it down.
Guys, that's a wrap. Had to pull the whole video off with my phone. Couldn't get the big camera out. We out. Shout out to Mac or Die. It was dope catching up with you. That's the first time I actually met up with a YouTuber, but like I was saying, he ain't no YouTuber to me. That's my brother right there. That's it. I'm out. Any last words?
Peace.
Peace.
It was raining.
Oh, it actually, when y'all elevation change, yeah.
That's what's up.
Like, it's crazy.
That's
We
what's
wasn't
up.
ready for that.
That's normal for
We
us.
out there with the shorts on.